Hey guys, Ash Trades here and welcome to this video. This is another trade recap, and as you can tell by the title, I'm in a losing streak and I would like to show you that now. And if you wonder which challenge I'm taking for this video, it's the 50k challenge from TopStep. For only $49 a month, you can now get 70% off, and you can also trade on TradingView. So if you want to take your own challenge, go to the link in the description and get 70% off. It lasts for the next 5 days. So now we're on the charts, and as you can see here, the trades I took today and the trades I didn't take actually also. So I would like to go through it now and explain why I took the trades and how I didn't get filled in some of them as well. So let's dive into the charts. Now I'm on the 9:30 open, and the first thing we can see is that we already took out buy side liquidity right here, and we had sell side liquidity down here and also here. And on the weekly time frame, we are bullish because we haven't filled this imbalance up here, the gap up here on the weekly time frame. So this is our current target for now, and we're also in a quite large bullish uptrend. So for now, I like to take longs more than I like to take shorts. So what we are looking for is a sweep of liquidity to the sell side, and then we are looking for buys. Now that we know what we are looking for, then I'm going for the long entries if I see a market structure shift and a sell side liquidity taken. Let's go to the 5-minute and see what happened today. Price dropped down, took out the sell side liquidity over here. We had some equal lows, but this was outside the zone, so I didn't want to trade it, so I waited. And we can see this candle here, it broke that candle, so you could have gone long here if you didn't trade in the silver bullet hour, but I would like to wait, so I waited for the silver bullet hour. And as you can see, we took out some more liquidity. We have now swept the liquidity of this low right here, and if we see a market structure shift, then I would like to enter on a fair value gap. And we didn't have a market structure shift yet, but we had it on this candle. So the first thing I wanted to do is enter from the first fair value gap on a long. So I wanted to enter here first, but because we again went higher after this, then I wanted to enter below here. And as you can see, I never got filled in. So even though I was correct in the direction and how the market would move, I didn't get tagged in because price never went down to the fair value gap I anticipated. So yeah, I'm a bit angry at that, but it is how it is. Yeah, and I targeted the high over here of the day. So let's go to the next trade. So here are my next trade of the day. It was after the lunch session from 12 to 1 p.m. And what I was looking for was a short, because what I saw was that in the lunch hour, we created a high over here and a low here. And because we took out the buy side liquidity of this right here, then I was looking for shorts because we had so much sell side liquidity. So my idea was that we will go lower before we go up and take out the lunch high because of the liquidity resting over here from earlier in the AM session. So what I was waiting for was the sweep of liquidity up here. So we swept liquidity right here, and then I saw a market structure shift on the candle right here, and I entered on this candle right here with a 4 pip stop loss. Then I wanted to go lower down to the lunch low right here, but I'm so stupid, so I stopped myself out when I was trying to create a buy limit down here. I don't know what happened, but I stopped myself out right here. Yeah, it made me a bit furious, but luckily I was still in profit, so I made a bit of profit here. But afterwards I wanted to enter again, so I saw the fair value gap right here on the 1-minute time frame, as you can see right here. Once we entered that, I wanted to go short again because I still wanted to see these lows get taken out. But yeah, I'm stupid and I misclicked, I think, or something, and I actually accidentally bought, and I saw it like a minute or two after, and yeah, then I stopped myself out right here. So I lost 8 ticks on this, and I won 7 ticks on this, I think. So I was in drawdown after this one here. It was an accident, but yeah, it was the same idea. I wanted to trade down, but I was a bit angry. I wasn't kept in this trade, so I wanted to enter again. And yeah, because of that, then I wanted to trade again because I just lost and I made some stupid mistakes. And what we saw in NQ was that we took out the lunch low, but here we only went to the 50% level of the Fibonacci right here. From this low to this top, we went to this green line right here, which is the 50%. We went under that on this candle right here. After that, then I thought, okay, now I can maybe look for longs because on NQ we took out the lunch low. So I waited for the silver bullet PM hour right here, and once I saw the microstructure shift right here on these candles, we went over with this candle. Then I waited for us to go into the silver bullet hour, and I bought on this candle, and yeah, it didn't go well again. I got stopped out on this candle, I think. I had a 5 pip stop loss. My entry was actually up here and my stop was down here, I think. So yeah, stopped out again. And what I anticipated from earlier, actually, it happened. We didn't go up here. We went down, took out the sell side liquidity over here, and we went to a bigger discount, so a better PD array right here of the 0.618 mark. And after that, we saw a high get created right here, and after we swept that, I wanted to enter. So we swept the high right here, and I wanted to enter on this fair value gap here. So I had a 5 pip stop loss. But yeah, as you can see, I was never filled. It only went to this fair value gap up here. But yeah, I didn't have any order here. I had my order down here, I think. So I didn't get tagged in, and my bias was correct again, sadly. Oh, I don't know if it's good or bad, but I didn't get anything out of it. So yeah, a bit of an annoying day, as you can say. I had two trades that maybe would have been winners if, yeah, you can always say that afterwards, if I got filled, but I never got filled, so it doesn't really matter. And then I had a good trade over here, but I stopped myself out because I'm stupid. And right here, I clicked the wrong button and yeah, lost money because of that. And over here, I was just, yeah, incorrect and maybe a bit too early on the buy button. But yeah, I should maybe have waited for this to be swept, but yeah, I can always say that afterward, but it was a honest loss. And because, yeah, I traded very stupidly here, I wanted the last run of the day. I was pretty sure that we would go higher after we went down to this area, swept the liquidity over here, and down to this discount array. And I was, yeah, basically correct, but yeah, doesn't matter. So these were my trades for today. So let's go to my journal. So here's how my journal is currently looking. Yeah, it's looking really good. A lot of red days. I love it, man. Nah, I'm joking. I'm in a bit of a big drawdown right now. $850. And here you can see my journaling for today. And yeah, let's go to the Topstep account so you can see the update of the drawdown I'm in. And here's my account. You can see that I'm currently $853 minus. I've only had losing days or break-even days, so it's very nice currently. Nah, I'm keeping my head high. I'll not trade the next 2 days because we have a lot of news coming out. So maybe I'll trade Friday, but I'll see. I just need to maybe fix my entries. Yeah, I don't know, be a bit more patient. Maybe not take trades like this, or maybe fix my fingers and my brain so I don't take any stupid trades like this or get stopped out by accident. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. It was Ash Trades here, and I'm out.